Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for today that will show you how to build a free website with Weebly. After you're done watching the tutorial, you can click the link in the description down below. That'll take you straight to a free trial version of Weebly that you can utilize once you log into that. You can do so with a Google account or an email, any email. You'll be presented with a wizard, which I will show you in a second, and that will take you through the process of creating your first website. If you've, for whatever reason, arrived at the dashboard, which looks something like this, what you'll need to do is click My Site in the top right hand corner and then Add Site right there. That will launch this wizard that initiates when you first log in after you've clicked that link in the description down below. So for the purposes of this tutorial, we're just going to keep it simple and make a normal website. If you want to add the capacity to sell stuff, you can do so at this stage as well. And the idea is then that you'd browse these templates and find a template which closest suits your needs. So try and find the website which most looks like the one you want to create, and then select that. And you can preview them quickly by selecting it, and you can sort of quickly browse the different pages and get a feel and an idea of how it's formatted, how it looks. Once you want to start editing, obviously it's in the top right hand corner, the big blue button, and that will open then the website editor. That will allow you, it's very simple and intuitive and easy to access, to sort of drag stuff from the left hand menu. At the moment, what it's doing is obviously constructing the website and building it, and it's asking us if we want to connect to a custom domain. I'm going to cancel that for the moment because you will need to pay for the premium monthly package that will enable you to connect to that domain. So we're not going to do that at this stage. I'm just going to show you how it is to sort of create the site. So once you're sort of clear of those little dialog boxes, like I was saying, on the left hand side you've got this menu which is regarded as elements, and most of these things are very self-explanatory. If you want to add more text or an image or whatever that you've got here, you can select it and drag it with a left click, and that will then allow you to kind of drop it anywhere, which is sort of denoted by these highlighted bars, which you can see, and then it would appear between those objects. And you can see now that I've got that text there, I can single left click, and then you can access the sort of most generic sort of word processing options there as well. Same with any of the other text that exists on the website currently. So such is the case then with buttons and any other objects. You sort of left click it once and a menu appears. So it's very easy and very straightforward to kind of use that. This background, for example, single left click that and you can edit that background, replace it, decide on how it moves and how it behaves. The menu just the same. So it's very easy and very intuitive. So just spend a little bit of time here experimenting with different templates and seeing what's around. If you want to change the template at any point, you can click this theme option in the top of the menu there, and then change theme will launch the template browser again and allow you to select one, and it will repopulate the site. So with a different format, but it won't replace your content. So if you've replaced images and you've sort of typed in your own text by double clicking and replacing the text that's already there, it won't kind of make you start from scratch, so to speak. So yeah, and when it comes to pages, if you go to pages at the top there, you can see that all of the pages that are associated with your website are currently on display. By single clicking them, you navigate to that page and you also display that page's options. You can also delete them from there and rename them. And to create a new page, like for example, if you wanted a blog on this website, you click the little plus symbol right at the top there and select blog page, and that will allow you to kind of add a page of any type right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Whatever you don't find in the menu is usually accessible through an app in the App Store. The settings for the website, the ability to change the address and sort of some of the basic settings associated with it, and also like if you want to embed some things like Facebook pixel code and things like that, trackers and cookies and things on your website, it's usually done through this menu here, and we've got specific tutorials for all of those things on the channel, so check that out. And that's pretty much it. Once you're kind of happy with your website, you'll need to publish it by selecting that little button in the top right hand corner, and that will then take you through the process of making it available to the public. And that concludes the tutorial. So like I said, if you want to give this all a go and learn how it works for yourself, there's a link to do so in the description down below. That'll take you through to a free trial version. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, you can leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.